In this guide, we're going over how you can delete a TikTok story. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this process really is super simple. Begin by opening up TikTok, and what you need to do is actually go to your inbox by hitting inbox down in the bottom little like sidebar section over here. From here, once you're in your inbox, you need to find your story. Mine's just going to say create right now, but go ahead and open up that story. And let's just say that we have this story recorded right here. Open it up, it's going to look something like this. You need to find the three little dots in the very bottom right. Go ahead and select it, and from the menu that appears, look for delete. Go ahead and select that. You'll get the option to either delete it or re-edit it. Go ahead and just hit delete again, and it'll automatically just go ahead and delete it for you. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.